Brr, it's Cold Snap Science!
Hi, thank you for joining the Pioneer Library System today. My name is Miss Amber, and today on Cold Snap Science, we're going to be talking about rain versus snow totals. All right, so for this next experiment, you're going to want to get a mason jar and you're going to fill it with snow. Once it's filled, we're going to go back inside. It's really cold out here. So the next thing that we're going to do is you're going to put a piece of tape on the jar after you've cleaned it and dried it off. So as you can see, I've got my piece of tape right here. So I'm just gonna take a marker and I'm gonna mark right there that's where my snow line started. After it melts, we're gonna mark where it would be counted as rain. Now it's time to play the guessing game. I want you to mark on the jar how much water you think will be left after your snow completely melts. If your marker isn't working because the jar is really cold, you can use a rubber band to hold its place until it works again. You can use a G to represent where your guess is. So this is really cool. You can see it's kind of condensed down and now there's actually gaps in the side. It's like one little solid mass here. So here's where our snow originally started, and here is where it's at now. The Weather Channel states that 1 inch of rain is equivalent to 13 inches of snow. I can't wait to see how much water is actually left after all of the snow melts. We have now reached the end of our experiment, and we can see that the snow melted down. So that much rain could make that much snow. Talk about cool science.